Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are stopping by for the first time, welcome. My name is Laifa and today's video is going to be a hair tutorial. I'm going to let you guys watch the clip of how I achieved the hair color, bleach the frontal and everything. So I'll be right back. Hello, so this is the hair we're going to be rocking today. It's from Annabelle, and that's the packaging it came in. It also came with a wig cap, which came in really handy. I used it in this video. Then it also came with their instruction manual on how to use the hair, maintain it, and it came with these lashes. They were actually nice, like they're the best I've seen so far in an AliExpress hair. And it also came in beauty blender. So this is the hair straight out of the packaging. It's their straight wig in 20 inches. So moving straight to the bleaching of the knots, this is the developer I'm using and the bleaching powder BW2. Then I mixed it in there. You want to wear gloves, very important. So right now I'm just mixing the developer and the bleaching powder together. You want it to get to a toothpaste consistency. So right now I'm just placing the hair on my wig head, and you want to make sure you push the hair in a way that there are no hairs sticking out, because if any hair sticks out, you're just going to bleach the hair, and you only want to bleach the knots. I already have a very detailed how to bleach the knots on your frontal, how to tint hair, how to pluck frontal, all that. So this isn't going to be an in-depth video. So right now I'm using a knife to sort of spread it like so. I showed you guys that tiny clip, so you see how very gently I do that process so that it doesn't seep through and stain the roots of your hair.
I got high hopes. Do you want the same? Cause baby, all I got is high hopes. Do you feel the same?
So now it is time to bleach the hair. Guys, this was a very easy, straight to the point, simple coloring of the hair. I didn't even use dye. I only used bleach for this process. So I'm showing you guys the mixture I used. I don't really have any measurements to it. I just mixed it, but it was a lighter consistency than the toothpaste consistency of the one I used to bleach the knots on the frontal. So I'm just mixing it right now. And you want to bleach the hair section by section. So this is the first section. I went ahead to brush it first. You want to brush out the hair first. So after brushing it, I used the paintbrush to start applying the mixture onto the hair. When you get towards the top part, you want to fade it in, except you are bleaching the whole hair. But I wanted the roots to be darker, so I didn't bleach the whole hair. So you want to make sure you fade it so that there are no lines of demarcation. So this is what I'm going to be doing throughout this hair. So I'll just let you guys watch. It's the same process, step by step, section by section.
I got high hopes. Do you want the same? Cause baby, all I got is high hopes. Do you feel the same? Do you want me, babe? Or is it just a game? Cause I got high hopes.
So if you see the style, the two tiny bangs in front were bleached all the way. So I wanted to bleach that one now so that it's starts to process before I'm done with the whole hair. So I just picked out those two spots that I was going to be bringing out as my bangs, and I just bleached it.
But something in my mind tells me it's easy to make it come around. I think you want me the same way I want you, almost so easy. Baby, there ain't nobody like you. No, it's true.
So this is the hair all done. You see that it's already started processing. So I just left it for like 20 minutes. I'm not even sure. I was watching it, so afterwards I rinsed it. I washed it with the purple shampoo and Tresemme conditioner, and that's pretty much it. Alright, so now that you guys have watched the prepping process of the hair, it's time to install. I'm just going to take my scissors and cut off a little bit of the lace. When I'm doing it on myself, I can't see when all this lace is covering my face, so I like to cut off a little bit. So I've already gone ahead to do my bald cap method. I didn't show it on camera because like I even feel like this is my installation process. I shouldn't even do it because I feel like I do it in almost all my head videos, and I don't want to be doing the same old all the time. Ooh, baby. Look, I'm telling myself I killed this plucking. So before I proceed to install, I'm going to go ahead and put a dark shade. I'm actually going to be using this Huda Beauty Tan Tour in the shade tan. I put my foundation shade on the frontal so you can see what a difference that made. So you can see that it matches better now, way better compared to this side that I didn't touch. So now I'm going to proceed to cut off the lace. I actually used to cut off the lace before gluing it down before. I don't know why I now started doing the method that I watch on YouTube. And I feel like it hasn't been working for me, so I'm just going to go back to what I'm used to. So I'll just take these clips and clip it away. I'm going to start by cleaning the hairline where I'm going to be placing the glue with some alcohol, 99% alcohol. You can use any alcohol. So I'm just going to turn a little bit onto wipes or cotton pads, whichever one you prefer. Then I'm going to be taking my Bold Hold glue, Bold Hold active glue. So I'm going to be doing the hair section by section. I'm going to do this section, the middle section, then this section. So I've done 3 layers of the Bold Hold. So now that it has dried clear, and if you guys can see that, I'm going to lay it down. Make sure there's no hair in the way. I'm going to take my scarf, or you can use an elastic band. I actually prefer using an elastic band, but I left mine in my studio, so I'm going to have to use a regular scarf. You need to tie it down very tight so it can melt into your skin very well. Alright guys, so I've had it laying down for about 20 minutes, so now I'm going to take it off. Oh Jesus. Oh wow. Oh. Wow. Melted, honey. Melted. Drink water and mind your own business. Alright, so now let's proceed to styling. So I would say that the lace on this hair is bomb. Like, can you guys see this? I hope it's showing well on camera, because this camera can like to not help my ministry sometimes. So the lace is good, yeah, but I feel like, where's my comb? I really don't like it when hair is scanty like this. Like, I feel like it's scanty, in my opinion. But if you don't like full hair, someone like me now, I can wear like 4 bundles of hair. No jokes, 4 bundles. That's kind of full that I like. But if you don't like full hair, this would be perfect for you. I'm trying to recreate a hairstyle I saw on Mercy, Lamborghini Mercy.
I got high hopes. Do you want the same? Cause baby, all I got is high hopes. Do you feel the same? Do you want me, babe? Or is it just a game? Cause I got.
So you want to make sure you use a dense brush like this to smoothen it very well. Take a rubber band, take 2 bobby pins and put 1 on each side. Then I'm going to take 1 part of the bobby pin, place it in, make sure it's secured, and I'll twist it until it's tight enough. Then put the second bobby pin in, but you wouldn't want to leave your rubber band like that. So take a little bit of the hair, brush it smooth. So you're going to use this to hide the rubber band. I don't like when that thing shows. It's really tacky. So make sure you hide it. So just take it around like so. And I'll take my Got2b spray. Alright guys, so the last step, well not the last step, I'm still going to have to straighten the back of my hair, but I'm going to take a hair curler and use it to curl the bangs in front.
I got high hopes. Do you want the same? Cause baby, all I got is high hopes. Do you feel this?
I look like a Barbie doll. Oh my god, this hairstyle is giving me life. So the last thing I'm going to do is the sideburns. I'm just going to use my scissors to cut it to be short. And I'm going to take my Got2b gel, use it to lay it down. Guys, I'm back and this is the finished look. I'm feeling myself, like I look so different yet so yummy, man. I hope you guys were able to learn something from this video. I really enjoyed recreating this hair look. So like I said before, this hair is from Ali Annabelle. It's their straight wig in 20 inches. I'm going to leave all the details in my description box below. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial because I definitely enjoyed filming it for you guys. If you have any suggestions on whichever hairstyle you guys would like me to recreate for you, please let me know. I love you guys so much. Thank you for always watching my videos. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.
No, it's true.